Imagine working all month and when you finally get paid, your salary is wrong. Less money than you expected, or deductions that don't make sense. This is more common than people think. Payroll mistakes can happen in any company, and if you don't catch it, you could lose money without even realizing it. Here are some of the most common payroll mistakes: missing overtime payments, incorrect tax calculations, wrong deductions like NIS or NHT, or even missing days from your pay. Most payroll mistakes are not intentional. They usually happen because of human error, incorrect data, or payroll system issues. But whether it's a mistake or not, it still affects your money. So, what should you do if your pay is wrong? Step 1: check your payslip carefully. Compare your salary, deductions, and hours worked. Step 2: raise the issue immediately with your boss, payroll, or HR. Don't wait until next month. Step 3: keep records. Save your payslips, messages, and any communications. Step 4: follow up until it is corrected. Do not assume it will fix itself. As a worker in Jamaica, you have a right to be paid correctly for the work you do. If there is an error, it should be corrected. Even small mistakes matter because over time they add up. What looks like a small issue today could become a bigger loss later. Always remember: check your payslip, question anything that looks off, and confirm your numbers. Now, here's something even more interesting. What if two people earn the same salary but take home different amounts? In the next video, we'll break that down. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.